I'll take a risk here on the train.
I'm like Mara. I'd rather ride the train.
Shall I ring for the porter?
Yes, please.
Would you like me to close the door?
No, thank you.
Yes, sir.
And where were you born?
I'll wait for you in the lounge car.
In connection with the California Hettrick.
Your table for two in the dining car is ready, Mr. Blaine.
Thank you. The skies are painted with 1,000 sparks. They are all fire, and everyone doth shine.